Welcome to the Friedrich Air Conditioning Design and Development Center, one of the most technically advanced HVAC laboratories in North America. Friedrich is a manufacturer of commercial-grade quality specialty HVAC products. Located in San Antonio, Texas, the Friedrich DDC Laboratory is a product testing facility that includes product performance testing, energy efficiency analysis, sound measurement, reliability and product safety testing, and application testing at specified environmental conditions. Friedrich recently tested the sound performance of our latest SG Series PTAC against our leading competitor. We measured sound pressure levels and calculated the sound quality in accordance with ANSI AHRI Standard 1140. Contrary to recent claims by our leading competitor, our results consistently confirmed Friedrich as the quieter unit, with both lower volume levels and a deeper, more soothing pitch. The testing was performed in Friedrich's hemi-anechoic sound chamber, constructed to provide a near free-field environment for evaluating product sound levels and quality. Measurements were taken in third octave bands from 125 Hz to 8,000 Hz. Environmental temperature was maintained throughout the testing using Yokogawa temperature controllers. Unit electrical measurement was monitored and recorded using a calibrated power analyzer. Microphones were calibrated using a sound level calibrator prior to each test. The microphone was placed 1 meter from the center of the unit as recommended in ISO 3744. All sound data was collected using Brule and Cohere software. The graphs you will see display third octave frequency bands on the x-axis and sound pressure levels on the y-axis. The sum of all third octave bands, with A weighting applied, is shown in column A. A weighting, expressed as dBA, is most commonly used and most closely approximates the frequency sensitivity of the human ear. However, we also want to pay attention to the L column, which represents the sound without A weighting, showing a stronger relation to frequency. Frequency spikes and levels may have minimal impact on the overall dBA or volume. But it's those variances that make up the difference between soothing low to mid-range white noise versus irritating high-pitched whining. A lower number in the L column means the unit is running at a lower frequency, which is perceived by most people as quieter and a more pleasing sound. In conclusion, the sound performance test established Friedrich's PTAC as the clear winner over our leading competitor's model. Whether the compressor is on or off, with fan speeds at high or low, the Friedrich model is simply the quieter unit offering a more comfortable stay for your guests.